Hello everyone, welcome to Anupama Verma's Easy Maths Tricks. Already we learned how to find squares, but here in this trick we are going to learn how to find squares which are near to base 100 and 1000. Let's see one example now. 96 square. Okay. 96 is 4 less than 100. 4 less than. Less than means we need to subtract. Okay. That means first we are getting answer in two steps. First step is we need to subtract how much it is less than 100? 4. So 4 minus 4. Second step, we need to square of this number. Write square of this number. Okay. So 96 minus 4 is equal to 92. 4 square is 16. Here, this is base 100. In 100, two zeros are there, no? So, we need to take answer in 2 digit. If it is base 1000, in 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So, we need to take answer in 3 digits, okay? Here, this is base 100. So, we need to write in second part in 2 digits. If it will get in single digit, we need to write before 0. If you get 3 digits, we need to carry forward. Okay. So 96 square is equal to 9216 is the answer. Next, let's take 98 square. So 98 is 2 less than 100. So first step 98 minus 2. Next 2 square. 98 minus 2 is equal to 96, no? 2 square is 4. But I already told you. So this is base 100. So we need to take answer in 2 digits. For that we need to add 0 here. So what is the answer? 9604 is the answer. Is it clear? Let's take 88 square. 88 is 12 less than 100, right? So subtract 12 from 88. Then we need to write here 12 square. What is the answer? 88 minus 12. 88 minus 12 is equal to 76. 12 square is 144. See here, we got here in 3 digits. So we need to carry forward this one to here. So the answer becomes 7744. 88 square is equal to 7744. Okay. Now let's take base 1000. Till now we learned base 100, no? Now base 1000. Okay. Let's see one example now. 992 square. This 992 is near 2000. It is how much less? 8 less than 1000. So first step we need to subtract 8 from 992. Next 8 square we need to write here, right? So 992 minus 8 is equal to 984. So 8 square 64. Here base is 1000. So we need to write answer in 3 digits. But here we got only 2 digits, no? So we need to add 1 0 here. So what is the answer? 984064 is the answer. I will illustrate one more example to get a clear picture. Next, let's take 989 square. So 989 is 11 less than 1000, no? So subtract 11 from 989. Then write square of 11 square here. So 989 minus 11 is equal to 978. 11 square is equal to 121. So the answer is 978121. Okay. Till now we learned below base 100 and 1000. Now we will see above base. Okay. Above base 100 and 1000. Let's take one example now. Base 100, above base 100. Okay. First example, 105 whole square. In below base, we subtracted, no? Because it is less than 100. Here, 5 more than 100. If it is more than, we need to add. That means 105 plus 5. Then again 5 square. So 105 plus 5 is 110, that is 110. 5 square is 25. So directly we can write. So 105 whole square is equal to 11,025 is the answer. Let's take one more example. 108 square. 108 is 8 more than 100. So it is more than. What we need to do? We need to add 8. Right? Next, in second step, we need to take square of 8. 108 plus 8 is 116. 8 square is equal to 64. So this is the answer. Now, let's see above base 1000. Okay. So let's take one example now. 1007 square. So it is nearer to 1000. 7 more than 1000. It is more than. So we need to add. Okay. Next, we need to take square of 7. How much more? That number square we need to take, right? So 1007 plus 7 is equal to 1014. 7 square is 49. But here base 1000. So 3 digits are there for 1000. So he answer also we need to take in 3 digits. But we got only 2 digits. What we need to do? We need to add 10 here. So the answer is 1014049. Okay. Let's take one more example. Second one, 1014 square. So it is 14 more than 1000. So we need to add 14 plus, in second step we need to write 14 square. So 1014 plus 14 becomes 1028. 14 square is 196. Anyway, here we got in 3 digit. Directly we can write the answer 1028196. This is the answer. See friends, this trick is very useful for near base 100 and 1000. It saves a lot of time in competitive exam if you practice only 5 to 10 minutes. See friends, practice of 5 to 10 minutes, you can become master in that. This trick is very useful for near base 100 and 1000. It saves a lot of time in competitive exams. If you like this video, like it, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with one more amazing trick. Till then, bye bye.